Hey guys, I'm Marc Scott. Thanks for checking out another voiceover tip. Tax season is upon us, and this week I'd like to talk to you about some of the different write-offs that are available to you for your voiceover business. As always, consult with your accountant and check your local tax laws to make sure that they are all acceptable. Now, a big one that a lot of people don't think about, and it may seem insignificant but can really add up over the course of the year, is bottled water. If you're using it in your studio and as part of your recording process, keep those receipts because you can use it as a write-off. Another weird one that you might not think about, I use Biotene mouth rinse before my sessions for dry and clicky mouth, so I can keep those receipts and I can use that as a legitimate write-off for my business. Have you done any traveling to conferences this year? All of those receipts you need to be keeping for write-offs, and I'm talking about airfare, mileage, your meals. Don't forget the conference admission itself. All of those related expenses can be written off as part of your business. And speaking of education, did you do any coaching this year or sign up for any online courses or maybe acting or improv classes? All of those can be kept and written off as a legitimate business expense. What about your website, your domain, your hosting? Are you purchasing templates to use for your website? Are you purchasing plugins, something like the VoiceZam player? Are you using that? Have you paid for that? Or do you have someone design your website for you? All of those website-related expenses can be written off. Are you doing any online advertising? Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, Twitter ads, Google ads? Keep all of those receipts. All of those are legitimate advertising and marketing expenses that you can write off. What about office supplies? That can be a big one. Talking about everything from paper and pens and pencils and erasers right through to bigger things like computer cartridges. All of those can be kept and written off. And speaking of big ticket items, don't forget about the electronics in your studio. Did you buy a new computer, a new microphone, a new interface, a new mixer, new speakers? What about a new external hard drive or wireless router, a new cell phone, a new tablet? All of these different things can be kept and written off, and those big ticket expenses can really make a big difference on your tax bill. And finally, what about your pay-to-play admissions? If you are on any of those pay-to-play casting sites, all of the fees that you pay related to those can be written off as a business expense, so hang on to those receipts and get them all submitted to your accountant. If you're looking for some more tips, check out the information section below. I've posted a couple of blogs for you. And here's one more bonus one. This is for my Canadian voice acting friends. If you're making over $30,000 a year, don't forget that you need to register for the HST and you need to be charging that to your clients as well. Hey guys, I really hope you're finding these tips helpful in growing your voiceover business. Now, if there's anything that you would like me to address, any questions that you would like to have answered in an upcoming tip, leave them in the comments below or get in touch with me through my website at marcscottvoiceover.com. Don't forget to connect on social media. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Twitter, and I'd love to have you as part of my voiceover newsletter as well. Free voiceover advice delivered to your inbox at newsletter.marcscottvoiceover.com.